blessings and mercy be upon you. This is my first vlog, so basically this is a travel vlog, my first travel vlog. I'm traveling to Kochi. From there I'll go to Munnar, and now I'm in Kempegowda International Airport. I have to go to gate number 6. This way. Gate number 6. Left side. I should go down from elevator. I should go to gate number 6. Yeah, there. It's not crowded. It's around 6 a.m. now, and I just got into flight. Flight is almost, will take almost 55 minutes to reach Kochi. So I'll meet you guys in the next shot. Hey guys, so it's 7:15 now, and we've reached Kochi International Airport. Weather's looking good, but inside airport it's AC, so we cannot get to know. Once I go out, I'll get to know about the weather. But my friends were telling it's too damn hot in Kochi. So let's see. Let's meet in the next shot. Kochi International Airport is very beautiful, but one of my friends told that Kochi International Airport is like a railway station, and Kerala has around 6 international airports, and all of them are like railway station. And Karnataka, the Bangalore has one international airport, but that's one of the best. But that's not true. Kochi International Airport is very beautiful. It's mesmerizing. Hello from Munnar. It's around 5:45 now, and we reached Munnar at 2:30. I couldn't vlog at that time because I passed out, and while coming from Kochi to Munnar, I was sleeping. I couldn't vlog at that time too. Weather in Munnar, it's beautiful, but it's too cold. I thought it'll be hot in Munnar because when I saw the weather forecast, it was telling maximum it'll be around 31 or 32 degrees Celsius, and minimum it'll be 24 degrees Celsius. But here it's opposite. It's almost some 19 or 18 degrees Celsius, and I didn't bring my jacket. One of my friends told that it's sweating in Kerala and even in Munnar, so I didn't bring my jacket, but it's too cold. The water's too damn cold.
Which road this one? The road is there. This road, Palani road. Palani road.
So right now I'm in some park. I don't remember the name, but the park must visit. It's a beautiful place. You can find colorful flowers and a small pond over here. Let me show you guys. A must visit. It's summer in Munnar. It's summer for Mallus, but not exactly. It's cold over here, around 17 to 18 degrees Celsius right now. It's winter for us, but summer for Mallus. The park, it's a must visit over here. Park is beautiful. People who love flowers, trees and all nature, it's a must visit over here.